What is going on YouTube? It is Monday, a little late to the party. Waleed's working on the SRT8, and then she's fixing the WK2. Starter went bad, so he's replacing that real quick. Since you're working on this, what's the issue?
I keep forgetting that you're interviewing people. I'm just taking the drive shaft off.
Oh, okay,
You're
yeah.
supposed to record me when I'm doing something boring. I'm giving him the mechanics perspective. If you build a car, get shorties. Fuck long tubes. But they sound better.
For sure, for sure. She's just taking off the drive shaft, well, the first portion of the drive shaft, so the WK2 could be tuned. She's gonna do that real quick, probably take it out, and once it's tuned, install it again. What's up? Sound pretty dead in here.
I like it. It's quiet. I get to meditate.
Did y'all finish up the Jeep yesterday?
Yeah, so I did a pull on it like 10 minutes ago. It made 470, so that's not bad.
Yeah, for that truck, for that weight too.
Yeah, for what's done to it. A couple bolt-ons, cam.
Clips before you saw Waleed finishing up the head, installing the spring. He said he had dyno this. It made
470.
It is all-wheel drive, so it does lose, I forgot the words, but it sent power to 2 diffs, it's not 1, so it does lose power there.
This goes into a full exhaust. You got.
Oh, you don't know what this is.
Well, he doesn't have manifolds. Though.
Turbo kit for the Jeep outside.
Car is coming together. While he's putting a dipstick in now and then doing the valve covers. Other than that, it's put together. We're gonna wrap it up for today. Red on red SRT8 is all done. It was basically just a Texas speed cam kit. So he's just buttoning up the, let's see, bumper. And then after that, the car is done. It's all stock exhaust. So it's really, really quiet, but it's a nice ass car. It's red on red, so definitely nice. So just got to the shop. V2 hood is open. I'm not sure if they're gonna do anything to it, if they're gonna diagnose it some more. This was the car that had a collapsed brick, so he had water all inside the blower. Horrible. As of right now, that's all I know. Oh, hydro lock, of course. 300 is all done. That was done yesterday. It has a base tune, I think, as of right now. And then MG tuning is going to be, I'm not sure if he's going to come today, but he'll be back to tune it for sure. To give it a final tune and dyno it, see the numbers. It had a lifter tap, so they just changed the lifters, its springs. Challenger's finally on the lift. That was the Challenger that lost a piston. I believe she's gonna diagnose it some more and see if there's any other issues there. And then Detailed Hands is washing the red SRT8. It's yellow on red as of right now because of the pollen, but when he's done, it's gonna be red on red, tire shine, nice clean rims, glossy, waxy, everything you want. So we're gonna see the transformation. Quick little walk around. Dirty as hell. You about to get this right?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you a couple minutes.
Paul in the middle.
tomorrow, I believe that is also going. That car is all done. Well, he should be starting on the red V2. We'll go from there. Yeah, real quick, camera's all put away, but Hellcat challenge just came in. Literally came in last minute right before we closed. So we're gonna go ahead and park it, put it in its place, and then diagnose it when we can. Something major is wrong with it. That's what we know. So yeah, it's a clean car though. 37,000 miles. I'm not sure what year, but 15, 16, 17.
37,000 even, and it's bone stock. The only thing Rich has ever brought me to do on this car is the SRT badge.
And we didn't even do that.
And then we didn't do it. And we almost did a muffler delete. Besides that, we just did plugs and oil change. And he does the oil change like every 1,000 miles, low key. I'm like, Rich, we just did an oil change. Like, yeah. I just want to do another one. Like, all right.
This Challenger came in last night. Didn't have my camera out, so I recorded it on my phone. But sounds like it's either a lifter or the motor. So we're gonna find out. And yeah.
Did we blow up a stock Hellcat? Find out in the next few minutes.
I know what the problem is.
What is?
I'm about to fix it.
Make sure you follow all of us, everyone. Coolin C5, detail hands,
Best
slash
detailer in the DMV.
SRT Ocho.
So look,
Be right here.
I got a bone to pick with squad on camera. You know what I'm saying? My car don't go outside in the rain, you know.
That boy got rules and regulations how we park this car. We'll just keep it inside and not work on nothing.
Niggas put me outside in the rain.
Cause I got a boat to pick a squad like we did it. I wasn't even here. I come here to car
Look, look,
outside.
on the way, when it started raining, right when I got off the phone to you, I was like, yeah.
That's what
I was like, that joint out.
Is that what I think it is?
My PCM?
Oh my god.
It's out, but another one's in.
Oh yeah? That's what she said. Alright, we done.
They got it from the dealer.
Yes.
Rich don't play, son. Rich gets everything from the dealer. He don't dog this car. He don't mod it. He's scared of it on stock power.
Well, while they're over there checking out the Hellcat, this is one of the plugs. And this is what it's supposed to look like. It's, hurt. Here we go. I'll just use that word for now. So,
Looking to see if it has compression, because it doesn't look like this piston cracked. So we're hoping it just, we can put a new plug and a new coil on it, and if it fires, it fires. Okay. Has compression.
The coil is bad, so it's arcing inside the rubber, which melted the rubber.
You see what I'm saying?
It just needs a brand new coil.
alright, so Jeep's all ready. So we're gonna give it one more wipe down before it goes on its way. Other than that, it's good to go. Oh, let me show you guys the gauges real quick. So, John installed them right up there. Yeah, they look good. I like them. Clean ass car too, so. Finally putting up our banners. It's what, like 20 feet? Okay, maybe not 20, but more?
The BTR joint's gonna take a lot of room.
That's why you should have started on the end, so you could have them, now you're not gonna know the gap.
John's like, I'm already up here.
I'm just saying, if you start in the middle, how you gonna know they're all gonna... We got a Dyno jet one that has to go right here.
What's going on YouTube? It is Friday. We have a S550 on the dyno. I know nothing about this car, other than it's a brand new S550. Oh, it's a California special, I think. It says CS on the side, so. Let's see these numbers real quick. Nice little line. Diagonal.
640.
Pretty even. Really even.
.636, 620 torque.